Menta kasngi ublei hakapor kumba shiba JAA no pasngi kaladon ka jing Bthei ka bajur hajan ka YMCA Computer Education Center ha Keating Road. Habayo bane keren berwe urang ba ubasa hakte ka jaka. Ulai thu ba kapor shiba JAA. Ulai sngo ba kaladon ka jing Bthei ka bajur. Kabalami na kadukan babu iki tiar kalijot kum kitayar bat kiwe-kiwe. Lasu baru ba kate ka jing Bthei kala bandai na katendong shed gas. Barha kate ka jingja ulai thu kidan saungut ki bala mynsaw. Ba ketup uwe ubadan haka jaka kapsnyu kabadan hasenda ba kate ka dukan. Balapan kit no eki shaki jaka ajing sumar. Hadin bali ajing tip marmar kilai teli ki kali penlipding. Kilwan poe kete ke jaka. Bankin syai mi ki tayar jot bat kiwi ki tiar jot ki bala kemding. Hakan ke jingja kakan hun bom squad bat kakan hun kena unit ru. Kilwan poe lang kete ke jaka. Bat halor kan ke jingja ki pulit kilapan long ke jing tokit.
Ông bà Bthei là sơn ra không phải lấy đấy.
Thì thay cái đầu.
Cũng là bên tiếp tính.
Đang suy cho mình tan cái này. Support cái nô punya poi.
Đi poi son ni nó mai poi ni này rồi.
Thì harus kita 48 penting kena cái đầu.
48. Kading la alip.
Kading la alip. 48 sos trong cái ding.
ভিতরে বহুত আগুন তো ডান সাইডে o'clock there was a huge blast. So I stay upstairs. We heard the blast. We thought that after that we just move fire brigade coming. We came down. There's a huge fire. There's a scrap dealer. Someone I haven't seen him. Someone told that there's a cylinder blast. From the cylinder blast, the fire caught on the scrap tires and plastic bottles. So it's been already three hours. Still the fire has not been controlled.
So the blast it happened inside the shop.
Inside the scrap.
Inside the scrap shop.
Scrap shop.
And how did anyone injured?
I heard 4 people injured. I don't know. One person was in the saloon. The saloon person is there. He said that someone was cutting there. He got a head. But I don't know. Someone is. I'm not sure.
Those who injured, they were inside the scrap shop or outside?
Inside the scrap shop also. They were in the saloon also. Just there's a saloon. They're cutting their hair, and because Sunday, they also saloon.